Hello friends, today we are going to talk about pharmaceutical giant, I call it, which is the king in the pharmaceutical industry. And when I say king, that means kings in hydroxychloroquine. This actually, the drug which is being used in the COVID-19 or corona, fine. And 52-week, the high was actually, friends, you can see here 1825. And we are still about say 300 rupees away from this. Friends, I would like to check with you some fundamentals and at the same time some technical checks with this to ensure that the results which are due on 16th of June, whether we should take any action or not. So friends, first of all, we see here the PE ratio is 41.66, whereas the industrial PE ratio is 31. So it is almost say nicely priced, when it comes to the industrial pharma industry PE ratio, and EPS is 36. It's very great, 36 rupees. People are ready to pay to buy one share of Ipca Labs. And friends, you can see the face value here is 2. And then friends, we check up with some other technicals also. And here I would like to talk to you regarding, this is the Ipca Labs. You can see in Economic Times I have taken, and this is Ipca Laboratories, you can see here. So friends, what I want to talk to you is here, instead of going and talking of so many parameters, these two parameters, that is the EBITDA. And EBITDA, what I am talking, EBITDA is of 12 months EBITDA, which is March 18 and March 19. So the results declared, so you can see here the EBITDA rose from say 500 to 481 to 747. So say roughly about 250 crore rupees, 225 crore rupees they had extra with them to manufacture hydroxychloroquine or to export. They never had a shortage, during this period of January to March and till the June, as far as the money is concerned. So we expect that Ipca will produce excellent results this quarter, keeping in view the EBITDA actually has been constantly growing. Number one, you can see here 301, 452, 481 and whooping 747. PE ratio is very convenient. At the same time, the book value also is excellent. Friends, this is as far as the technical fundamental part of it is concerned. Now we see the technical part of this, and here I would just like to put rather 1 year. I will update this, and even as far as price, this I'll put as yes. So now you can see the moving average I have put here. This moving averages are here. Here I have put moving averages of 10 and 15. Friends, if you really see the results, are to be declared on 16th of June. So as of 16th and June, there are still 5 days to go. And here, if you see here, yesterday was a doji or a spinning top, and today is the first big candle actually that has come. And now it is likely that it will continue to go up. And friends, at the same time, if you really see here, RSI, if you really see, it is in the negative. It is actually saying it is 0.8 minus, right? So if it is minus 0.8, that means this is minus 0.8. It will take at least 2 days time for it to go up, and this also will take another 1 day's time before this actually gap between two moving averages closes and a big candle is formed. And friends, if you see this RSI is 50.07. RSI is also very nicely placed. It has got a good space to move up to 70. So friends, my own assumption is looking at these two parameters. Fine, looking at these two parameters, RSI and MACD, there is a sufficient place for it to go up. However, friends, if tomorrow the volume picks up, volume actually has been less. So, if the volume picks up, then there is no stopping of this. And let me check, also at the same time with the closing prices. And when we say closing prices, friends, then you know, the here you can see this is the price. Below this price, you know, somewhere around this price, 1543, I think your 1543 is already there. Next price is 1500. Friends, I think it is very difficult, you know, because 1500, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it has come. The support is there. I don't think 1500 support will ever be reached unless until somebody is very lucky by 16th of June. But yes, when it comes to resistance, so over this, you know, friends, the resistance that will come here is somewhere around, I will call it, here will be the 1600. So you have clear 60 rupees in your hand to go before once the share starts going up from 43, it will touch 1600, and after 1600 there is little on 1600, maybe 1625, and before it touches 1700, 1650. Friends, why I am saying so 1650, or the highest which it had gone to 1821, because it has got the strength in it. Because of hydroxychloroquine, it has got the strength in it, and the exports, if the results are good, then mind you friends, on 17th itself it will cross 1800. So I think this is one of the finest bets today available till 16th. And if you think that you should buy the stock, if you get 15-20 rupees less, the better it is. If you don't get, friends, still I will say it is okay, fine. So because you know the strength from 1543 to 1653 is 110 rupees, which is something about say 100 about 7 to 8%, and 1700 will make it about 15% in about 5 days time. What else do you want? So my submission to you is only that you should think about it, whether you should go in for it or not, because opportunities will not come time and again to you. Fine. So friends, if you my duty was to make you aware of the fact that a good script results are coming, and if you want to make about say 7 to 8 to 10-15%, the time is there, you can always make it. And friends, last but not the least, please press the bell button for the notification. Please subscribe to my channel, and in the description, friends, I have given my Facebook contact also. You can join me on the Facebook as well. Friends, thank you very much and have a nice day.